You're listening to Mentoring Developers. We were reading this news story about Amazon on New York Times and how Amazon treats its employees. If you were an Amazon employee, I don't know how happy you'll be or how contented you'll be.
Right.
They don't care. Their attitude is, we don't care. You have issues, you have cancer, we don't care.
Right.
And that's amazing. I mean, how can people live like that? We're humans. We're not robots.
Yeah. I've worked for a number of companies in the last 8.5 years of the life of my son, where I've been extremely lucky and had a lot of support from most of the companies that I've worked for with having to take him to therapy and having to deal with his issues. And I spent almost a month in a hospital with him a couple of years ago because of a particular issue that sprang up. And the company that I worked for at the time was the most supportive group of people. I was working for Telerik at the time, and actually we're on video at the moment, and I see you're wearing a Telerik shirt, which is pretty awesome, I think.
It is awesome.
I love that company. I really do. I had such a great time working for them when I was there, and they were so extremely supportive and so helpful and so generous with making sure that I had everything that my family needed when we were going through that. It was really incredible to have that kind of support from the company that I was working for. And it's incredibly disheartening and sad and depressing to hear about companies like Amazon that are, basically they just don't care. They don't understand. They don't want to understand. You're just another number in a warehouse or wherever, and if it's your problem, not theirs. And I don't like that.
Yes. So the companies, these companies, they want to appear cutthroat and they want to be competitive and they want to win business. But I think ultimately, as humans, we love our encounters, right? Mm-hmm. We talk to each other. We care about each other. That's what makes us human. And so this company, Jeff Bezos and some other people, they believe that perhaps we don't need to be human. We need to we need to be very competitive.